Hello and welcome back to my craft room. Well, here I was all ready to start week 8 of my boho bunting this evening, but I had an unexpected parcel. Well, it's an expected parcel, but it's come really quickly. So I decided to order some Indian Sari scraps from a company called Stef Francis, and I think they're based here in the UK. I only ordered this a couple of days ago. The packs were £2.50 each, and I ordered one of each colour. I will put a link to Stef Francis below. I've just looked on their website and found that since I ordered 2 days ago, the price per pack seems to have dropped down to £2.08 because they've got it in their clearance. Considering I ordered, I think it's 6 packs, this is quite a small bag compared to the pack I got from Bazaar. But then it's a lot cheaper than the pack I got from Bazaar. So these were £2.50 each, and I paid £1.55 altogether for postage. So I can't wait. I cannot wait to see what's in here. Let's have a look. Of course it can turn out this isn't my package from Stef Francis at all, and it's something else completely. Should be a bit embarrassed. No, it is. They're based in Devon, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs at £2.50 each. A blue, a brown, a green, a pink, a purple and a red pack. Standard UK delivery, £1.55. So altogether I've paid £16.55. Bearing in mind that the Bazaar packs were £12.50 each, I'm interested to see how these compare. Okay. It's difficult to tell till you get them out of the pack. They're different because the Bazaar packs included some cottons and heavier weight fabrics and other bits and bobs. These are just the sari silks, so it's not a great comparison really, but I would say on the surface of it they compare reasonably well. Okay, I reckon that's probably blue. Do you think? Very excited about this. I'm going to keep these separately, I think, at least for the time being. So let's have a look. That's a nice neutral one. I would enjoy embroidering into. I'm going to bring this down a bit. That's better. I would enjoy embroidering it into these flowers. Yeah. Okay, that's quite an interesting. One of the interesting things about this little piece is, look, that tiny little print there. And then there are all these kind of shapes in it, like cashew nuts. Lovely vibrant colours. It's got some pink in there, but a lot of this lovely kind of teal blue as well. There's that strange kind of cashew nut shape again, or kidney. Nice. Lovely. It's a really interesting mixture of prints. The most noticeable difference between this and the Bazaar packs is that these are all of the kind of fine sari silks, whereas obviously the Bazaar packs contain different fabrics and other little bits and bobs. Oh, look at that, pretty. And they're small scraps, but for the kind of thing I do, they're absolutely perfect. Well, I think that's probably my favourite. So I think for, £2.50, if I saw that before I bought it, because, of course, each of these packs is unique. You can't, they can't pick certain fabrics for you and that kind of thing. But I think if I saw this one, I'd be quite likely to pick it. And for £2.50, yeah, I'm quite happy with that. And for £2.08, which is what they're costing at the moment, I'd be even happier. So £2.08 over 6 packs. So 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 8 is 48. £12.48 plus £1.55. £14. £14 altogether this would have cost. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. So let's have a look at one of the other colours. This is probably the brown, I would say, because they compact down to quite a small space, but once you get them out of the bag, there's quite a lot there. Oh, these are lovely colours. I mean, it's just called brown, which sounds quite boring, but you know, look at all the shades of brown in here. All the lovely earthy colours. Yeah, this is lovely. This is really nice. Yeah. I'm quite happy with these packs for £2.50, let alone for £2.08. Yeah, lovely. And the pieces, some of the pieces are quite small, but you know, they're big enough to do something with. You know, it's a substantial enough size piece of fabric. Yeah, I like that. I like that. I don't think I'm going to bother to keep these separately in the colours. No, I don't need to. I will probably try and keep them separate from my Bazaar fabrics, at least for the time being. So this one, what was it? Yeah, this must be the purple, I think. Very different feel from the Bazaar packs, actually. And I do feel like there's a lot I can do with these. A little bit of twinkle in this one. Some of them are really good for, one of my favourite things is to kind of embroider into the pattern that's printed on the fabric. And lots of these are really ideal for that. That's one. Oh, look at those colours. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Yeah. Very happy with this. Don't feel like I've been ripped off at all. Because you always worry, don't you, when you buy things online? You know, you can never be sure. Yeah, look at all those so far. Oh, they feel lovely. Okay, I need to speed up a bit. So this is the red pack. Oh, love that one. Love that. Oh, I'm buzzing. I'm buzzing. Look at those. So many ideas. Buzzing around my head. Lots and lots of shades of red. That's the red. I've got two more. So this is the pink. They're good size pieces, definitely. You can make those beautiful quilts with these. And you know, there are lots and lots of ways you could use these pieces. Oh, wow, wow. I think somewhere it said that each bag weighs, was it 100 grams? I can't remember, but I just had no idea how much that would look in volume. I've dropped a piece down there. And obviously silk weighs quite light, so 100 grams is you know, is quite a bit of fabric, isn't it? Right, last one. Green. One of my favourite colours. And there are some lovely vivid greens in here. I will be keeping and reusing all of those plastic bags. Now this is a very vibrant lime green in real life. On the camera it looks a little bit more dull. But it's very vibrant in real life. So many shades of green, look at that. That's just itching to be embroidered into. There's not much green in that one, a little bit of green, but it's kind of almost more red, isn't it? I don't know. Now, if I was one of the people who works in their warehouse or whatever, which part would I put that in? More likely the red. Don't know. Okay, lovely. Oh, it's a fantastic mixture of patterns. Now with the Bazaar packs, there's a good mixture of textures as well. You don't get that here, they are all silks, but the mixture of patterns is brilliant. This is probably some kind of a second, because look, there's something weird gone on here in the dyeing process perhaps. Absolutely fabulous. So altogether I have paid, including postage, I have paid £16.55, and they're all silk and reasonable sized pieces, I think. So I feel quite happy with that. I've got a really good mixture. What an eclectic mixture of patterns and colours I've got there to play with. Lots of inspiration. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. I will leave a link to Stef Francis below if you want to check them out yourself. If you're based in the UK, their postage, well, the postage for this was only £1.55, so I think that's pretty reasonable. I'll go back to my actual stitching now, and I'll see you again tomorrow with my week 8 boho bunting. See you soon. Thanks for watching.